Good morning. Checking in here, Rush of North Georgia. Local international Hino dealer. Isuzu. Got a 2020 Hino J08E-WU Hino powered. There's an Allison train. Actually, we have an Allison transmission on this one. 26-foot box truck, Waltco built. He's got this one in. He's got a tuckable liftgate on the back here. Starting the opposite side of the truck because the sun is right in our eyes today. Waltco liftgate should be 3,000 pound. Has not gone to detail yet, still in great shape. Got the tuckable liftgate and the ramp. Decent rubber on these. Box looks good. You'll see some pictures in a minute when I post them up online. Let's climb inside. We've got low miles on this one. As always, you can get me at 678-466-9231. This is a 2020 and we're looking at 156,556. No codes, nothing going on. Solid setup on this one. Gonna go through the shop, get service like all of them. Give us a call, 678-466-9231. Love to help you out.